Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me HP OfficeJet 250 mobile all-in-one device, and I'm gonna show you how to change the system language on this device. So everyone knows how to do it in Embedded Web Server, but how to do it using the internal interface of our printer. To do it, you just need to open the control panel and just open Settings. Here click Preferences and click Language and choose your language. Click OK. That's cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.